This is our previous or current status of Hurricane Dorian for eastern North Carolina. I think that's how you pronounce its name. And it's a little wet outside. And I'll keep y'all posted. Thank you. And the storm hasn't really hit us hard yet. This is just a rain band right here. Y'all be safe. Alright, as you can see, it's raining a little bit harder outside. And we're still in the same band. And it's raining a little bit harder. And it's humid out there. Okay, y'all, right now, Dorian's right off the coast of Wilmington. I believe it's still a Cat 2, not for sure. I am just a personal meteorologist right now. And I'm telling y'all what I'm going through. Right now, we still have power, thank the Lord. And, well, I hope we stay like that. So I hope we stay have power. And right now, we've only got 3 inches of rain so far, but we're still in the beginning of this. We're not even close to the end of it. The eye is not even anywhere close to us yet. Not yet, baby. But I will keep y'all posted. And I'll let y'all know what happens. And this is Meteorologist Taylor at your service. Okay, y'all, this is our current status. It downgraded to a Cat 1 hurricane. I had to let the dogs out this morning because I was the only one up. And I come out here to see what it's like. And she's pretty windy. It's just sprinkling now, though. But she is currently in between Cape Hatteras and Cape Lookout right now. And I'll keep y'all posted. We still got power, thank the Lord. And if y'all are in the hurricane, be safe. Hey y'all, Hurricane Dorian, she is now off of our coast. I think she made landfall on Cape Hatteras, I'm not for sure. But we still got the wind, but we don't have no more rain, as you can see. The sun is barely starting to come out. And it's still a little cloudy, and the wind is blowing like crazy still. And I'll keep y'all posted. And I got to go into town, and well, we gotta get something. I don't know what it is. But if anything looks bad in town, I'll show y'all. And stay tuned, baby. Now, y'all, this is the only property damage we got. A little bit of flooding right here. Got a little bit of water. And just some down limbs, that's it. Just some down limbs. Other than that, we made out pretty good so far. Stay tuned, baby. Don't look like no damage to me, does it, Mama? Oh, a baby hurricane. Up here it was, anyway. Daggum Bahamas got blasted. Just a couple of down trees, that's about it. Nothing major so far. The wind's still blowing like crazy though. Well, we got a lot of the power people out here. At least we still have power. At least we still got power. Praise the Lord for that. Well, the ditch has got water in it, that's about it. Just a ditch. trash dump. Oh man, that thing was nasty. Mom, we got lucky on this one now. Somebody selling watermelon. Oh, that little race car. Beans. But they cut all their trees before something bad could happen. You see them big old logs right there. And just got some bad straw in the road. That's about it. Oh, the water's high for sure. It's higher than the land. Good Lord. It is high. It's high, but it ain't flooded. That pond's flooded. Good Lord. It's been a while since that water been that high there. Tree limbs.
Triad corrugated metal roofs last longer, cut your cooling costs, and give your home a custom look. Yet
Bunch of limbs.
assume roofs should be asphalt shingle.
Pouring blow down.
You're not some people, are you? Get a roof
Cotton.
that pays you back.
Looks real short.
Carolina owned, Carolina made. Triad.
The wind's blowing real hard.
Spectrum Mover offers the flexibility you want and savings you deserve. Get our unlimited data plan and save up to 40%, or pay for just the data you use with our buy to gig plan. Both plans have unlimited nationwide talk and text.
Oh yep, I got a tree down over yonder.
New phone? Get our best trade-in offer plus an extra $100 toward
And
Visit spectrum.com today. Restrictions apply. Check for details.
yep.
Everything was excellent. The flavors were off the chart. I can hardly wait to come back for another visit. That's just some of the comments from the more than 30,000 visitors to one of Spice
Old
Bouquet's
man's fence is down.
Learn simple, delicious, affordable ways to prepare healthy meals in minutes using Spice Bouquet spices
Old bulldog.
and techniques, all for only $20. Visit spicebouquet.com. Spicebouquet.com.
Alright y'all. The damage is not bad. We got lucky on this one. We did. We had to go to Tractor Supply. The only spot we ever seen flooded was a little bit of Walmart parking lot when we went back. That wasn't even that bad. Everything in town here looks pretty good. I mean, the only thing is like maybe some pile straw on the roads and daggum down tree limbs. We did have a couple down trees, and that's really about it. A little bit of flooding, but like barely any. We got lucky on this one, real lucky. And this might be a little bit of pointless content today, but I need to make some. So this is what we're doing. I mean, the aftermath of Hurricane Dorian, or whatever her name is. Can't pronounce it. And maybe I'll go set up a daggum ground blind tomorrow so I can go kill a deer with my bow. I need to hunt out my ground blind because my knee's messed up. I'm freaking on crutches. And y'all stay tuned now. Alright? Y'all have a good one on Tater TV. Get you some.